These pictures are hilarious. What's that lady drawing? She's so serious. You kids think painting is easy? Sounds like you need a reality check. Oh, what? How'd we get over here? At least we're together, right? Sweet, huh? Want to give it a try? How hard can a heart be? Just a couple of curved lines. Haven't drawn one of these in a while. Let's try this again. One curve here. Ugh, I'm terrible at this. I can't make the sides even. This is gonna take me forever. But maybe this grid could help. I can use each square, going down a peg again and again. That covers the bottom half. Now on to the top. It's prettier with the different colors. Just a few more. It's awesome! Check it out! What a unique approach! And this one, a tad literal for my taste. I think Matt really nailed this round. Oh yeah! Ugh. What's taking her so long? Almost done. Your patience has paid off. Ta-da! That looks kind of fun. Drawing a boy is super easy. I look at one in the mirror every day. So good. Where'd Ellie learn to do all that? Oh, I can't turn this in. Matt, you don't have time. Let's see those pictures. I gotta think really fast here. There, a boy. Huh? I guess that is a boy. Oh, wait, let me make one little adjustment. Fine, but just 1 minute. Thank you! These letters are a great starting point. First, just link them all together. See? It's coming together. And a little color makes it alive. Aw, he's kinda cute. Ha! Take that, art challenge. It's a masterpiece. What do you think? 2 Picassos in training. I knew we could do it. Meow. Mesmerized, huh? Well, snap out of it. We have to draw a cat? Okay, I guess. This is tricky. Any day now. Whiskers? I could use a little inspiration. Is she really asleep? Now I can really get to work. Say goodbye, little kitty. You're coming with me. Hey, Ellie. How'd you get that? So unfair! I want one too! But I can be clever too. Ah, good boy. I prefer the real deal. Aw. Mwah. I've done it again. You're my very best friend. And I'm gonna draw you too. You're bigger than I anticipated. I can't trace you at all. Maybe if you turn just a bit. This isn't working. What a happy accident! You know how to spell cat! Matt, hold him for a sec. Where'd you come from? Anyway, let's do this. Much better. Time to turn the word cat into something a little more cat-like. I'll make this little guy brown. Don't forget the ears. And perhaps a few fun stripes. Almost as cute as the real thing. What do you think? Anybody home over there? What'd I miss? Right, kitties. Cute job, Ellie. That looks awfully familiar, Matt. And now I know why. Sorry. Guess I'm taking this round then. Being creative is more than drawing on a page. Are we done dancing yet? Because there are doggies to be drawn. This is gonna be interesting. Do I start with the ears? Matt, you need a little help? Check out this doggy over here. What? A dog? Forget it. Oh, hey, Ellie! See the doggy? Hey, I kind of see it now. It's like a Rottweiler. I can just trace it on here. And I can add my own details, like its little doggy collar. And what's a dog without sweet eyes? Time for the wet nose. And a long tongue. And the right pops of color. Turn this thing into a real piece of art. Man, I'm good. I just need a little extra help. I don't think this will work either. How does this stuff even get in here? Seriously. This is what I was hoping for. Oh, such a good boy. And so handsome. Oh, he really is adorable. Oh, wait, no. Where's your art? Mine's ready, miss. I see I really inspired you. Yay! But now I just want to pet him. He really is soft. And last but not the least, purple. Attention, please. We're not done here. We're drawing rainbows, huh? Let the games begin. Can't forget this one. They always begin with red. See? Looking like a rainbow already. I'm not really into markers. Mind your own business. She's not even doing anything. Hey, is that a poppet? I love those things. And it's exactly what I need. Ha! Isn't it great? But I'm using it for something a little different. Each line gets its own color. Just a couple more here. There! Can't forget about the holes. Now for the quick flip. Isn't this just so satisfying? Almost as satisfying as this. Teacher, heads up! Hey! We're ready now. Wow, so many beautiful colors. Execution's a bit off. Okay. Now that's thinking outside the box. Think you could have done better in these challenges? Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out.